Hello everybody and welcome back to the dog channel. Today we'll be making a DIY dog harness. So what is the issue with the DIY dog harness? One, is really expensive, it's like $45. Two, I don't even know if it'll fit on my dog. Three, I want it to be able to strap to the harness. So before we get started, consider subscribing and like and do all that stuff. So what will we need? We'll need this part. It's basically what the GoPro is on. It's something like that. The GoPro will be on here, which is on my head. Scissors, Velcro, and a rough wear dog harness. Any harness like this you could use really. So, step one. If you have a small dog, it's a little big to piece. It's like that. So what I did, I cut off the first part. Tried to cut off. So I'm gonna cut off the second. The back. So let's get started here. I'm gonna take the soft Velcro, which is soft and not hard like this. Then I'm gonna take it, put it like this and wrap it around to here. Then I'm gonna mark that. And that's where we're gonna cut. So you're gonna cut it here. So I already cut it out actually. So I'm just redoing this. So I'm gonna stick it to it. Till it's stuck. That's gonna wrap around here. When cutting it, don't cut off this. Leave some of the paper on because otherwise it'll stick and you don't want that to happen. So then, we're gonna take the hard side. Take around like this much maybe. Should probably be around like 3/4, I don't know, something like that. I'm gonna stick it on. And this should actually be like this. It should be able to stick. Like that. Now the issue is only like that, so I'm gonna have to do it like that. The tighter is the better, because otherwise it won't fall off. So it should be like this. Then we're gonna take the hard side. That's gonna be the same length as this. So I have it. But we're gonna put it on the side with the small strap. Because otherwise, if you do the opposite, it will always fall to one side. Because this side will be more loose. So I'm gonna stick this other strap to here. It's gonna have to be something like that. Just cut it. Let's cut that. Then I'm gonna pull back a little to paper. That's gonna be the second way to cut it. Gonna stick it on. Now all this should wrap around. So that'd probably be a little paper. I'll probably make something better later, but I'm gonna make a small slit so it could wrap around. It's easier for it to wrap. It's easier for it to wrap around like this. So it should be something like this. And probably have to make something a little better. But I think this is good for now. Now I'm gonna put on strap thing about it on the harness. Should go like this. Make this a little tighter. There, now put it on Joey.
cut.